Hi all, welcome to Math with Karthik online classes. My name is Karthik K. Agastya. If you have not watched part 1 of pair of linear equations, please click on the link in the description to know more about substitution method. In today's class, we shall discuss about elimination method. So what do you mean by elimination method? In the elimination method, we have to make either the coefficient of x or coefficient of y in both the equations equal. So how do you do that? Take this as equation 1 and take this as equation 2. Now find out the pairs. 8 and 3 is one pair and 5 and 2 is one more pair. So now when you see 8 and 3 and 5 and 2, for me 5 and 2 looks better. Means this equation 1 multiply with 2 and equation 2 multiply with 5. So now 8 times 2, that is 16x, plus 5 times 2, that is 10y will be equal to 9 times 2, that is 18. Now 3x into 5, that is 15x, plus 2y into 5, that is 10y, is equal to 20. Subtract both the equations. So means wherever you have plus, you need to write the minus, and wherever you have minus, you need to write the plus. Now 16x minus 15x is x, minus 10y and plus 10y gets cancels, will be equal to minus 20 plus 18, that is minus 2. So x will be equal to what? Minus 2. Now substitute this value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll substitute in the equation 2. So that is 3 times minus 2 plus 2y will be equal to 4. Now minus 6 plus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 6 transfer to the other side. 2y is equal to 4 plus 6. 2y will be equal to 10. So y will be equal to 10 divided by 2. Y will be equal to 5. Now when you substitute this value of x and y in the equation 1 and equation 2, you should get LHS is equal to RHS. So then we say that whatever you have done, it is correct. Question number 2. 4x plus 6y is equal to 15. 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. So first step I told you in elimination method, you have to make the coefficients of x or y equal. First you need to find out the pair. 4 3 is better or 6 4 is better. Like when you see both the numbers, I see that 4 3 is better. Means you need to multiply this equation with 3 and you need to multiply this equation with 4. Now 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So now what I will do? So 4x into 3, that is 12x, plus 6y into 3, that is 18y, is equal to 45. Next, so 3x into 4, that is 12x, minus 4y into 4, that is 16y, is equal to 7 times 4, that is 28. Now when both are plus, you need to change the sign. So plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So now plus 12x minus 12x cancels. Now plus 18 plus 16y, that is plus 34y, will be equal to plus 45 minus 28, that is plus 17. So y will be equal to 17 divided by 34. Now 17 times 1, 17 times 2. So y will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Now substitute this value of y in either this equation or this equation. So I will take the second equation. So 3x minus 4 into 1 by 2 will be equal to 7. Now 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. 2 transfer to the other side. 3x is equal to 7 plus 2, that is 9. So 3x will be equal to 9 and x will be equal to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Question number 3. 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2. 2 into x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. Now the first step is you need to frame the equations. How to frame the equation? So 3 minus I will send inside, minus x minus into minus plus 5 will be equal to y plus 2. So means I will transfer minus x to the other side and 2 towards left side. So equation becomes x plus y is equal to 3 plus 5, 8, 8 minus 2. So x plus y is equal to 6. Equation 1. Now I'll take the second equation. So 2 times x 2x plus 2 times y 2y will be equal to 4 minus 3y. I will take 3y to the left side. 2x plus 2y plus 3y will be equal to 4. 2x plus 5y will be equal to 4. So this take it as equation 2. Now, so I'll write separately. 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 6. Again, we'll go to the basics of elimination method. So what it says, you have to make the coefficients equal. So I will multiply this equation with the coefficient of this, that is 1. And I'll multiply this equation with the coefficient of this, that is 2. So now equation becomes what? 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now change the sign. Why? Because you have both are positive. So change the sign. Plus x minus x cancels. Plus 5y minus 2y, that is 3y, is equal to minus so y will be equal to minus 8 by 3. Now let me solve for y. I will take the first equation. X plus y is equal to 6. So x I don't know. Minus 8 by 3 is equal to 6. I will transfer this to other side. X is equal to 6 plus 8 by 3. Take the LCM. LCM for the denominator is 3. So into 3. So that is 18 plus 8. So answer is 26 by 3. So what is the value of x? 26 by 3. Question number 4. 13x plus 11y is equal to 70. 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Now see here, you can see that the coefficient of x in one equation and coefficient of y in one more equations are same. Now similarly, coefficient of x in one equation and coefficient of y in one more equations are equal. So in this case, instead of multiplying this equation with 13 and instead of multiplying this equation with 11, so we go for one more method, that is addition and subtraction method. Let me add both the equations. 13x plus 11y is equal to 70. 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Now when you add both the equations, you get 24x plus 24y is equal to 144. Now take 24 common. So we'll get x plus y, and this 144 can be written as 24 into 6. 24 cancel on both the sides. So x plus y is equal to 6. This is equation 1. Now I'll subtract both the equations. 13x plus 11y is equal to 70. 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Now subtract both the equations. That is changing the sign to the second equation. So 13x minus 11x is 2x. Minus 13y plus 11y is minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Now take 2 common. X minus y is equal to minus 2 into 2. So 2 you can cancel on both the sides. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Take this as equation 2. Now solve for this equations. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Now plus y minus y gets cancels. So 2x is equal to 4. X will be equal to 4 divided by 2. X will be equal to 2. Now solve for y. So take this equation. X plus y is equal to 6. 2 plus y is equal to 6. And y will be equal to 6 minus 2. Y will be equal to 4. Question number 5. 10% of x means 10 by 100 into x. That is nothing but 0.1 x. Similarly, 20% of y means, so 20 by 100, that will be 0.2 y. So I'll replace with this. So that is 0.1 x plus 0.2 y will be equal to 24. 3x minus y will be equal to 20. So I have discussed earlier that whenever you have point means decimals, you need to multiply this equation with either 10 or 100 based on the points. So here after the point 1 digit is there, so you multiply with 10. So this equation becomes x plus 2y will be equal to 240, and the second equation write it as it is, that is 3x minus y is equal to 20. Now, so I'll multiply this equation with 1, that is a coefficient of this, and I'll multiply this equation with 2, that is coefficient of this. So the equation becomes what? X plus 2y is equal to 240. So 2 times 3, that is 6x minus 2y is equal to 40. Now there is no need to change the sign because you have plus y minus 2y, directly you can cancel. So 7x is equal to 280, x will be equal to 280 divided by 7, that is 40. Now substitute this in equation 2. So 3 times 40 minus y will be equal to 20. So 20 you take this side, y you transfer to the other side. So y will be equal to 120 minus 20. So y will be equal to 100. Thank you all for watching. I'll come back again with the part 3 of pair of linear equations in two variables, that is also called as simultaneous linear equations. Please do like, share and subscribe to my new channel Math with Karthik. Thank you.